Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna learn another thing about CentOS or Linux. First thing is when you open the file, have you noticed this number, this one number? Sometimes have two, have three. What is this number for? So I'm gonna tell you today. This number one indicate that the number of hard link associated with the file and the directory. It means that the file is here located directory. It means that only one that located is this file. So in context CentOS, here's the link. So when you create a symbol link or a symbol link like a bin or user US of bin, the number of the hard link for that symbol link is number one. So the only one indicate. If you create two, we can show it two, and then indicate that is there only one referring or link pointing to the destination. USO in user bin indicates user, we call it. The second thing is user denotation. So what is denotation? From user denotation is in a context of the operation system like CentOS or another Linux distribution. The term you might be referring is the user. So user denotation, it means that user identification, or simply say user ID. Yeah, something like that. And this is a command we use. We are U for user or owner, G for group, O for another, A for all. And this is a command when you want to set permission to another user. When you are admin, want another user to be admin on the text that they want to read and write. All of you mean read and write, so they can edit and save it. Role mean user, they become an owner. Yes. UG mean user group. Yes. For the sum of the group, then can add execute permission for user and group. Yes. And UR mean user remove for the text. Remove read permission for the user. Yes. On that text, we have multiple user. So we have to remove some of the user that don't need to see the text, like confidential, in top secret, on the company, something like that. The next thing is SUID or set user ID. The SUID is a bit also known as a set user ID, yes, but override this behavior. If it's a bit set on program, then the program will run as the owner of that file, irrespective of who is executing it. So when this is a for user ID, the user ID for the owner of that file, yes, it is the slash before search for file on command CentOS. Bin and password, yeah, you can see that which date is password. Nothing too much in here. Another thing is Umask. Umask is this kind of base permission given when a new file fully created in CentOS. Most of the distribution of Linux gives 002 as a default Umask. So it means that you can give a three permission to the user in Linux or file or folder, like read and write here for number 1, 2 read execute, 3 read only, 4 write execute, 5 read only, 6 execute only, 7 no permission. It means that when you put like this 7 you cannot access that file. Yes, you'll find the directory. We give permission to each file, so it's not only on the user, but we can use it on the file also. It's like a group. When you create a group, you one of the owner of the group can remove some file you can see, something like that. And a minimum usage for value for the file. This is for directory 77, and this is for the file from a 00 to a 666. Yes, 666 execute only. And the last thing about this set mask. Set mask is like it means that you or anyone have read and write. Yes, 00 read and write execute permission for all newly created file. So when you create file, you want everybody to see, to enter, you write 111 is 000 if I'm not mistaken. So everybody can go through the file, yes, without any need permission from the owner, because we already set the 000. So that's it for today, guys. See you next video.